The 2007 Explorer Sport Track. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, child safety locks, MP3 player, fog lamps, bucket seats, power door locks, power windows, intermittent wipers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.